This is the story of two brothers at the night time. The spiritual things happened with them. I will tell in the last about the comedy things. Okay? So let us start. The acting. Yeah, we are boring. Today is a boring day. Let us read a book. Yeah. The big brother said, yes, we have to read because we have to complete our syllabus. But I am talking about haunted story. अभी ऐसा मारूंगा ना गिरेगा चुपचाप से कंप्लीट कर. वो तो सो गया. चल पढ़ते हैं हमने haunted story. Wow. His brother. अबे क्या कर रहा है? समझ नहीं आती तेरे को? नहीं. No. I'm not doing that. I'm studying. See. Yeah. You can ask a question. Okay. Continue. Then the big brother was thinking about, yeah, we have to also read a haunted story. So he also came. And the small brother, he was studying because afraid of his brother. Then the big brother said, yes, let us read the book. Then both of them read the book. In the first page that is written, if you read the book, so don't think about this book anytime. It will give us spiritual thinking, a paranormal activities, and this is also in this also written that who written this book is that because of thinking and overthinking in this book, and you have to not burn it. But they read and they not read all the book and did not see the warning that is given in the book. Then
they ignore the warning.
They ignore the warning about the book, but that is the real things. So at the night when they are making the food, then there is a knock. There are two brothers alone. Knock. They watched. No, there is no one. Then they gone to make the food. Then another knock. The fourth time gone. Sorry. Then they saw at the door. Oh, there's the auntie! Our auntie! Yeah! Then they open and auntie come. Oh, hello my children. How are you? We are fine. Okay. The big brother says to the small brother, take out the water. Then the brother gone. Mixer. It's a bottle. Take it. Oh, thank you, my son. But these are not running water. अरे कोई नहीं पी लो पानी तो चाहिए आए हो 2 मिनट के लिए. Then the cat eyes and the dog eyes are red. And when there is knocking, so there is the voice of a person that is crying. And then they ask to their auntie, what was that thing that the person is crying? I have listened. The auntie said, yes, my child, There is a person who is cutting the onion, so he is crying about that the onion because his wife challenged him to cut 100 onions, and today his wife is resting. Then they are laughing. Ha 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 ha. Then the auntie was going on. Yeah, that is happening. Then his small brother is standing and his big brother is sitting. Then thinking what कितना बकर बकर करते हैं ये लोग बकवास करते हैं अरे चलो बुक के बारे में सोचते पता नहीं क्या वार्निंग लिखा था. Then he was thinking about the warning. Then there is a spiritual thing happen that the lights are flickering,
Drinking.
flickering, and blinking. And then the light was gone. Then his brother came with a candle. Candle. It is second candle. So his brother said, अबे देख के चल कहीं ठोक ना दे आंटी को. The small brother, yeah, then giving to the auntie. Then the brother say, अबे बेवकूफ आंटी को क्यों दे रहा है? खड़े हैं ना ऐसे हम लोग बातचीत कर रहे हैं दिखता नहीं तुम बड़े बातचीत कर रहे हैं. The auntie, अरे छोड़ दे, it is a small child. Then the auntie was gone. Then the light was flickering, it is stopped, and then they take the candle and gone to the sleep. The light was come. Then they go to sleep. At the night, 1 a.m., his brother, let us take,
खत्म करो.
sir, 2 minutes और है.
खत्म करो.
Take the water. Then the another brother came. He put the water in a side in the kitchen. Sorry, in the kitchen, and then too much जाएगा flame थोड़ी ना. Then this is the kitchen and put the and then gone to take talk to the mother father because the mother father was gone to the temple. Then his brother came, his small brother, gone to the sleep. Then his brother come. अरे भैया पानी गायब हो गया. Then the brother say, अरे भैया पानी वो मैंने पिया था. Okay. Then they take the water. अरे भाई बिजली का बिल तो ही नहीं भरा. And the last day woke up. Yeah, and they both